Oh. Good girl, this way. So again, coming really close. He's had a look, but brilliant. Good girl. Good girlie. I think you deserve one for that. Good girl. So again, we'll just do one more. Nice shake off there as well. So you can see he's looking at me. Bliss has gone the other side of me there. Good girlie. And then again, let's go back around. Just had a look, but nothing major, so that was great. Good girl. That's it, good. And then, excellent. Good girl. And then what we'll do is, I'll do somewhere I'm just going to stand Bliss middle, like this, and I just want you to walk past me. So just walk past. That's it, good. Good girl.